Ever wondered how to manage categories in your ERP system? Categories are the backbone of product organization, a vital step before product creation. This tutorial will navigate you through the process of creating, editing, and deleting categories in your ERP system. Let's dive into the process of managing categories, starting from the main panel of your ERP system. In the main panel, on the left side menu, you'll find the Product option. Guess what's inside it? That's right, the Category option. If you're managing multiple companies, make sure you've selected the right one. Now that you're in the main view of categories, you'll see a list of all created categories. Let's create a new one. Creating a new category is as simple as clicking on the New Category option. This opens a pop-up window requiring a name, and optionally, an image for the category. You can also assign a parent category, or make the new category a parent itself. Another feature is the ability to import categories via a CSV file. Once you've filled in all the details, your new category will appear in the main view. But what if you want to make changes? Don't worry if you've made a mistake or need to adjust your categories. Editing and deleting are just a few clicks away. Just find the right drop-down menu in the category, where you'll find options to refine your category, assign a parent, or upload a representative image. With these steps, you can manage your categories effectively, keeping your products organized and your ERP system efficient. You've now learned how to manage categories in your ERP system. Easy, wasn't it? From creating to editing and even deleting categories, it's all a breeze. Plus, you get key info like the total number of products and their value per category. With Engonus, you're not just managing your inventory, you're making informed decisions. Remember, Engonus is an ERP with an app and hardware for asset management. Stay tuned for more tutorials.